I'm gonna leave a little bit of space here between where I start and the top because I do want to come back and clean it later rather than, possibly messing it up on the first stroke. So you can hit it in one stroke or you could do two and just pay special attention to your negative space. So, oh, and that's not enough paint. And just the tip with this one, your brush should be doing all the work. And then I'm gonna come back and do these horizontals. Now's the time to clean up my edges. So I'm gonna make sure it has that characteristic chisel. I did come over a little bit here, but that's all right. This is all an optical illusion, so we wanna make sure that we're just making sure our edges are clean. And, a little dab will do ya. All right, and then I can come back here and finesse that a bit. You're almost drawing with your brush, but not quite. You're just kind of dragging the tip along if you want to clean up that edge, or you can kind of pull it along there, but yep, see, it went over. Sometimes we mess up, but I'll just show you what it looks like. And if I do want to fix my E, there are several ways to do E. For this one, all the strokes will be exactly the same length, so if I did mess up that one, just make sure your other ones match it. In other typefaces, there will be differences, so I'm just going to pull these even longer then. As long as it looks convincing, only you will know the true secret. It's all about being a visual magician here. Again, that little oops, that was the result of my paint being a little bit too watery. So I kind of lost a little bit of control there, but you know what? It's fine. We can make lemonade out of this lemon for sure and still leave with a great looking letter. All right, so that will be your Gothic letter E.